There is one thing that I will always buy more of is PLR, as long as it's good quality PLR. And today I've got one of the best people in the industry putting out his very first PLR product. I'm going to tell you about it coming up in my review of the Tiger Report. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and if you're not new, by the way, you know by now that you can just skip ahead because I make really stale dad jokes. They're even worse than the jokes that Alexa makes, and she makes some really bad ones. Did you hear the one about the turtle? Why did the turtle cross the road? She says, we don't know why yet because he hasn't managed to get across the road. Talk about a lame dad joke. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? It's very simple, of course, because I want to make sure that you do not buy much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman, that guy, together with Bart and that crazy guy who says he loves crap, they drive me nuts. They drive me absolutely crazy. I don't understand why these people keep going on about crap. Nobody wants it. You don't want it. I don't want it. Why do they want it? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my ad to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. And I see Liz, she is a sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time. And I can't get angry. She's such a sweetheart. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, looking right now at the sales page for the Tiger Report. This is the very first time that Dawood Islam has actually offered the Tiger, any of his products with full PLR rights. That means that because what he usually does is he lets you sell it as your own, but then he does it for you. Basically, what that means is that you basically send traffic to his sales page. And the reason he does that is because this way he collects the leads. This is the first time he's actually giving you your very own product that you can actually repackage and sell as your own. And Dawood is one of the top marketers in our industry today. This is a top Warrior Plus affiliate, a top Warrior Plus vendor, one of the biggest names around. He's giving you the right to give away this report. I'll show you what the report looks like in just a second. It's actually text, which is actually good for you because that means you can actually go ahead and turn it into a video or whatever you want to do with it. You can also edit it. You can take pieces out of it, use it for a newsletter, for example. There's all kinds of things you can do with text that you can't do with a video. But speaking of videos, I want to tell you about my custom bonus. Now, this, by the way, is $7.95. It's super cheap, but I'm giving away one of the best things I've ever done, which is going to be 3 of my own courses. You are going to get PLR rights to them. It means 3 of my premium courses that people have paid money for. You get PLR rights. That means you can sell them, you can give them away, you can use it as a bonus, launch it as your own product if you want to. And you can even put my name down that I'm the person who created it. Obviously, my face appears on all the videos. You'll be able to put down that it was from the man in the hat himself. And I am also, not to toot my own horn, one of the top names in the industry. So that is really super duper valuable. But I am not done yet. If you pick up any upgrade to the Tiger Report that is valued at least $20, I'm also going to give away to you the IMFAQ membership website. You can sell it, you can use it as a bonus, give it away, whatever you want. You're going to have access to give it away to your customers. And this includes hundreds of hours of content that you can use as a bonus, for example. You can put the Tiger Report into your own package, sell it, and then use this as a bonus to give away. Now, you are going to also get from Dawood, you're going to get 20 of his products with reseller rights, plus you're going to get 50 of his previous products that you're going to be able to use as well. So, and all this stuff, by the way, comes for a lousy $7.95. That's it. $7.95 is the whole cost of this entire package to you. Now let me show you the members area real quick over here. This is the members area. You can see here the Tiger Report is actually all text, which is really, really good because this means that you can actually take this. Now, by the way, the course, just so you understand what it's about, this is actually a course all about marketing in 2022, because the fact of the matter is that marketing is different in 2022 than it has been in many, many years. It's actually a little bit more difficult to make money online now than it was in previous years. And Dawit breaks this down and offers his own prescription for what you can do with this. And the nice thing is you can take this and use it as your own, which is really, really valuable. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give it a tip as the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this a lot. I think it's great. I think that if you want to build an online business, you need this information. But more important than that, you need to be able to use this thing to be able to have your own product that you can give away, sell, and use as a bonus. So yeah, grab this one. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.